All right, so this is one of Justin's first cars that we really did a whole lot to. It's a Ferrari 458. It started as white, and then we changed it a bunch of different times, and this is where it is today.
You're going to talk about the car itself?
Yeah, so one of the issues that we found was a Carfax on it where there says there's some damage. But the damage actually was from paparazzi that was chasing Justin a little too close.
And we got a new bumper, so we're good.
So no real damage.
No real damage. We got a new bumper. It looks great. It's perfect, mint condition. And it's one of a kind, so come check it out.
But just so we're clear, Justin, this is street cred, bro. So let me read this Carfax thing for this absolute, because this is a legal thing that we need to do. Carfax shows a California damage report. Vehicle involved in a rear end collision. Airbags did not deploy, and we got a new bumper, so we're good as new, right?
Good as new.
And you taught the paparazzi a lesson.
That's for sure.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
Well, this is very interesting because here's a late model Ferrari with a wrap in a matte blue finish, with a great celebrity provenance of one of the world's most well-known pop stars. However, this Liberty Walk body kit that has been added to it by West Coast Customs, often on Ferraris, when they are customized, that reduces the value. Will the celebrity provenance be enough to bring this one over the top?
And I do want to point out, this car does have a reserve. As I mentioned earlier, not very many cars here at Barrett-Jackson and Scottsdale this year do. It's a minimum price that it can be sold for. We don't know what that is. Justin's the man who knows. And they will figure out at some point whether they want to lift that reserve.
You know, I've always been a big fan of these Ferrari 458s. I've been looking at a couple, dreaming about them. With the body kit on them, they're very aggressive. This is a very popular style in Europe and in Japan. Interested to see what kind of suspension that they changed out from the original coilovers to put the air ride suspension on it. Really cool looking wheels, though. I love the big concaves. And who knows, this is over book value, so a little bit of Bieber power, I guess, huh?
And one thing you will notice in this, it has a 2,000-watt sound system. For a pop star, I think that's the minimum level you can go for.
Justin wants to throw something in here. Justin?
So, along with the car, we're going to get an exclusive pair of tickets to one of my United States shows. So we're going to add that in there. I go back on tour February 15th. So, yeah. Let's keep it going.
All right, had to get down 350s. That with you, Justin. Now 60, yes, sir. Hey, 350, 60. Had to get down. You want 360? Hey, 360 pounds. Not out of it. Get down 360 pounds. Hey, 360 now 70. Hey, 370 pounds. Hey, 360 all the way to get down 360 pounds. Out of it. Get down 360. Hey, 360 pounds. Out of it. Get down 360 pounds. Hey, 370 pounds. Out of it. Get down on the bed. Get down 370 pounds. Out of all through. Hey, 370 pounds. Out of it. Hey, 370, 80. I had to get down 380. I had to get down 380. On the bed. Get down 380 pounds. Out of it. Hey, 380 pounds and now 90. Hey, 390. Hey, 390. 90. You want 400? Hey, 400,000 out of it. Get down 95. 400 pounds and out and 400 pounds and out. Hey, 400 pounds out of it. Get down 400 pounds.
An unmodified Ferrari 458 looking like this would be about $150,000 less than we're at right now. So the Bieber connection has driven this one to the roof.
Hey, 400,000
Let's throw in some backstage passes.
The reserve has been lifted. That means the car will sell. $395,000. The current bid. We're about to find out what the final price will be.
I had to get down 400,000 on it. Hey, 400,000 on it. Out of it to get down 400,000 where? And 400,000 on it. Out of it to get down 400,000 on it. Out of it to get down everybody through. Everybody down at 400. We're up in the muscle lounge. The car's for sale, ladies and gentlemen. 400,000 on it. Did you say 400? Hey, 400,000 on it. Out of it to get down. Justin, you want 400? Hey, 400,000 on it. Hey, 400,000 on it. Justin and Jimmy. Which one we got at 395 with Jimmy? Now 400,000. Hey, 395 to get down 400,000. And I have sold $395,000 Muscle Lounge.
Thank you all.
High fives, fist pumps all around for those folks up in the skybox. Justin Bieber shaking hands with Craig Jackson. You know, he said he didn't want to buy something until this one was gone. Well, now he's got to figure out what his next car is going to be.